Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the page once again. Hope you've had a wonderful day. And today's video, I'm going to be speaking about how to feed livestock, especially ruminants, making silage, how to cut down the cost when it comes to feeding. As we all know, feeding takes up a lot of the funds when it comes to livestock farming. So thanks to all the guys that's been sharing, that's liked, that's subscribed, that's been watching my videos. Very much appreciated. So watch this video. Any questions, any suggestions, like I always say, just drop it in the comment section, or you can send me a WhatsApp, or you can email me. We're all learning together. I learn, you learn. So thanks once again. Hope you enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Fresh one, Take a bit. So this is the elephant grass. It's been here for a couple of days, let it dry properly. This is the corn husk itself, and this is the maize stalk. A lot of these things goes to waste. A lot of it, especially in Ghana, a lot of it just goes to waste. It gets burned, it gets left to get rotten. But this is a good quality feed that you can use for your animals, especially livestock. It's got high dietary fiber nutrients. It's got a lot of minerals in there as well, and vitamins. And this is the elephant grass. So we blend these free. Sometimes with the maize stalks, you do find a bit of smaller maize that's in there. So some of that gets grinded as well. And that's how we start with the silage process. We cut these up with a chaff machine, with the chaff cutter, and then and sile it for like 3 to 4 weeks before we feed it to them. This is the chaff cutter that we use, and this is a mixture of the elephant grass, the corn husk, the maize stalk itself, and we mix these, and the smaller particles we give it to them on a daily basis, and the slightly longer particles is used to make the silage. And again, like I said, the maize stalk, 99% of the time here in Ghana, it gets burned, it gets left to rot, it just goes to waste basically. But at the same time, it can be used as feed source for livestock. A lot of livestock farmers are crying about feed shortages and things like that, and we've got literally, especially after the rainy season, the dry season, there's tons and tons and tons of maize stalks just rotting away, getting burned, getting wasted, when all of that can be used, as a great feed and save you a lot of money when it comes to livestock feeding. Let me take up no one already. You take it. Nothing. Yeah. You. that's after 3 weeks of fermenting. See, there's a little bit of mold on the side, but all throughout the bottom is fine. So we're gonna get all the mold out, get the top layer off, and feed the bottom bit to them. But yeah, they've already finished one barrel, which they really enjoyed. So once this is done, we're gonna make and sell more plastic bags and more barrels.